Hey Internet, this is just a quick video to show off some of my latest 3D printing models. So I've been working at a golf course this summer, so I decided to create some golf related items. The first thing I have to show you here is this 3D printable tee block. So this marks the tee off locations on each hole. These spikes sit to the ground. But what was new to me about designing this model was image extrusion. So I have an image here of a golf green with the flag and the ball extruded onto the tee block. But if you own a golf course and you want to put your logo onto the tee block, you can do that. I'll put my email in the description below, and if you send me your logo, I can create custom STL files for you, and you can have custom tee blocks on your golf course. The second thing I have to show you here is a standard golf hole cup. So this sits under the ground in the green where the flag is. I pulled the measurements for it off the internet, and they should be standard across the golfing industry. So this should hopefully work with whatever existing golf equipment you do already have. This could be printed in plastic or in metal. So those two items are my designs. The rest of these items here are not my designs, but I thought I'd include them in the video anyways, just because they're golf related. If you had a 3D printer, for example, on a golf course, you could print your own golf balls. If you had the right infill pattern and density, I think it could match the standard measurements fairly well. So this is a golf ball that I 3D printed. This is a ball mark tool that also doubles as a bottle opener. So this is for fixing divot marks on the green. Pretty useful. I also printed a standard golf tee, but didn't work so well because it was difficult to get. It came out a little bit flat on the top, so I printed this other tee that actually holds the ball a lot better, a lot more stably. All of these items are included in a collection I've created on Thingiverse, and I'll put the link for that in the description as well. But if you have any other ideas for items that are golf related, put them in the comments, and I'll add them to my collection. I hope you like these designs, and look forward to your comments. Thanks.